State Fair campers. My name's Ariana.
And I'm Rebecca, and today we're in Cam's classroom.
The materials you're going to need for this activity are some carded wool and a spinning hook. To start, you're going to want to take your carded wool and take a pencil thickness piece from it. And by that, you can pull it just a little bit tight in order to see if it's about the width of a pencil. Once you have that width, you're going to pick up your spinning hook and take about a 1/2 inch piece and wrap it around the end of the spinning hook.
You'll want to make sure that when you put the wool on the hook, that your hook is in your non-dominant hand and your wool is in the dominant hand.
And from there, you're going to hold it nice and tight, but not pulling it too far apart, and begin spinning the hook. And as you spin the hook, you're going to be moving your hand away, and this is called drafting. And then if you come across any knots as you're spinning, just give it a little bit more of the unspun wool. Once you reach the end of your carded wool, now it's time to ply. You're either going to have a family member use their arm, or to practice socially distancing, you can use the arm of a chair. And what you'll do is from the middle of your strand, you're going to take it on the arm of the chair in order to meet the two ends together.
So now I'm going to demonstrate that. You'll want to put your string or your wool, you'll want to put your wool on the bottom of the chair and grab the top. From here, you can take the hook off of the wool, and then you'll remove it from the chair and it'll twist together.
This is called plying. Plying is when you take two single strands of spun wool and let them twist together. This makes the strand stronger.
From this, you can use it as yarn in your weaving project, or you can just keep this and use yarn as well. Thank you so much for learning how to spin wool with us today. If you want to stick around, we're going to dye wool with Kool-Aid next.